Are you looking for to return Shein items? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily return Shein items. First thing first, head over to your application Shein or move into any of the web browser and then move into official website of Shein. Once you're in here, make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you have been logged in, head over to your profile. In this page, in the section of My Orders, click on View All. Once you have landed on this page, at the very top, swipe all the way to the left, and you will see the option of Return or Refund. Click on it. Well, if you have ordered something, then it will be available to you in this page. Simply select the item that you want to return. After that, state the reason why you want to return the items. Once you have stated the reason, then tap on Submit. Well, after that, if the return statement is valid, then your items will be returned and you will get refunded. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.